Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Paunang mensahe ninyo ay throne. Maybe you are going to be dealing with someone na nasa position of authority, or siguro baka kayo ito, Sagittarius, baka kayo ang mailalagay sa isang position of authority. Maaring maa-appoint kayo sa ganitong position sa inyong trabaho. So, congrats. We have Axe forces working against you. Dahil siguro sa ano na to, promotion na to, nako, meron sigurong maraming naiinggit sa inyo, and maybe ginagawaan ka ng kwento, maaring chinichismis ka, nagfe-fake news, yung mga ganon. What else? We have crib. Wow. So, this is a birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Meron ditong sisimulan kayong bagong enterprise, project, business, venture, mga ganon. Or, siguro kayo ay manganganak or magbubuntes. Kung hindi man, baka yung person ninyo, or kung hindi rin, baka kaibigan ninyo or someone na very close to your heart, no? Ang may ganong sitwasyon. We have cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. Kaya wala kayong dapat katakutan, Sagittarius. Even if there are forces that are working against you, there is a guarantee dito from spirit na you are going to be protected, no? Poprotektahan kanila, gagabayan kanila, at they are going to guard you, no? What else? We have beetle, good fortune, napakaswerte naman ninyo talaga sa ngayon, Sagittarius. Mababalot kayo ng good fortune. Kaya marami siguro talagang naiinggit sa inyo or maiinggit pa lang, no? Yung good fortune na to, this is not only about money but also in your overall life dito, no? So, maaaring kayo ay siswertehan pagdating din sa pamilya, sa pagkikipagkaibigan, sa pag-aaral siguro ng inyong mga anak, yung ganon. We have fire, strong emotion, passionate love, or hate. Ayan. So, it could be love, it could be hate. Depende talaga sa inyong sitwasyon. Maaaring ito, mga forces working against you could create that hate, no, sa puso ninyo. Nako, maaaring talagang magagalit siguro ang iba sa inyo dito. Maaaring mayroong outburst dito, no, for some of you. Pero sana hindi naman, no, Sag. We have older man. You're going to be dealing with an older man at this time. This could be anyone. Maaaring ito yung magagalit kayo dito sa taong ito, or dito kayo mai-in love. Who knows kung alin ditong mararamdaman ninyo, Sag, love or hate, diba? What else? Carrot, napakaganda naman. Pagdating sa pera, no? Pagdating sa source of income, ang swerte-swerte ninyo. Opportunity, no? This could be money. This could be financial opportunity or windfall, no? This could be a windfall of money na paparating sa inyo, Sagittarius. Kaya, be ready to receive that money. Vacation. Maaring kayo ay magbabakasyon, maaring ito yung kailangan din ninyo, no? Ang pagbabakasyon, kasi siguro stressed out na kayo, or siguro kailangan ninyo din na magnilay-nilay, no? Kailangan din ninyo na take a breather, no? Well, family wishes come true. Very lucky talaga kayo. Magiging masayang-masaya kayo dahil yung wishes ninyo, no, magka-come true na. Maaring wishes ninyo ito para sa pamilya ninyo, or wish ito ninyo, no, para sa inyong lahat na pamilya. March, that's going to be next year na, kasi layo na natin sa March 2024. So, maybe yung March na to, this could be related to this wish, no? Maaring meron kayong wish na baka gusto ninyong mag-travel around March, or meron kayong papatayong bahay for your family around March, or it could be anything, no? But definitely March is going to be a significant month para sa inyo. We have fun, there's romance, celebration, and party na magaganap. Maaring yan ay yung celebration or party na to could be because of these blessings, no? May swerte kayo, may windfall of money, may opportunity. So, maaaring yung celebration ninyo na ito is bilang pasasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya, sa lahat ng blessings na nakukuha ninyo, no? From the divine. Probably then, may celebration kayo dahil sa romantic relationship ninyo with your person. Maaaring kayo ay magse-celebrate ng inyong milestone sa relasyon, or maybe you are celebrating your love with each other. Posibleng ganon ang ganap, no? What else? We have nest. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So, siguro kayo, Sagittarius, very, kayo, family-oriented siguro, no? At, lagi ninyong pinaprioritize above anything else or above anyone else ang inyong pamilya. We have Peacock, beware of great pride. Okay, so this is a beautiful reminder para sa inyo nang sa gayon, maging aware kayo na kapag, kapag umaandar na yung pride ninyo, as much as possible, control natin yan at i-contain na lang natin sa sarili natin. Wag na nating palabasin pa. Kasi kapag may pride tayo, parang, di ba, iba yung pinoproject natin behavior or attitude, no, towards other people. So, as much as possible, tanggalin natin yan kasi nakakasira din yan na relationship eh. Kahit anumang klaseng relasyon, kahit sa kaibigan, sa kapamilya, sa person ninyo, kung ma-pride tayo, parang mas lalong nasisira, no, yung isang relasyon dahil dyan. Hindi siya nakakatulong na maging close kayo or mas maging loving with each other, hindi ba? Older woman, dealings or relationship with an older woman. So, meron tayong older woman, meron tayong older man. Maaaring mag-asawa to, no? Maaaring couple ito na you're going to be dealing with around this time. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Sag. Final message ninyo, angel number 1122. Ayan, so there is a great shift na mangyayari, isang malaking pagbabagong mangyayari dito, and that might start sa inyong personal growth. Maaring sa personal level ito magsisimula, personal transformation, and then everything follows, no? Sabi dito, first, focus on the positive changes occurring due to your efforts. Then expand your horizons and permit yourself to try something new. So many positive shifts are in store for you. The world around you is changing in favor of your intentions. So napakaganda kasi parang you are supported with the divine universe sa ngayon. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.